Hey everyone, today we are going to see how to migrate mailbox from one mailbox database to another mailbox database with PowerShell command. So we are going to migrate this test mailbox from mailbox database 1 to mailbox database 2. First we will check for this test mailbox. To check this we will run this command. So the name of the mailbox is test mailbox. This is present on this server. Now we will verify in which mailbox database this test mailbox is present. To check that, we will run this command get mailbox identity test mailbox and we will select for database. I will copy this command and run in Exchange Management Shell. So this test mailbox is present in mailbox database 1. Now to migrate or move this test mailbox from mailbox database 1 to mailbox database 2, we will run this command new move request identity test mailbox. The target database is mailbox database 2 and we will select bad item limit for 100. You can specify any bad limit depend on the mailbox size and the corrupt item present in that mailbox database, and we will set the priority for this mailbox database move as emergency. The move requests have been initiated and depend on the mailbox size it will complete the migration request. The next command is for archive mailbox. If you have archive feature enabled for that test mailbox, then you can run this command. Here in this example, I don't have archive enabled for that test mailbox. So I used this first command. Now to verify the move request detail, you can run this command get move request statistics. So I will copy this command and run in Exchange Management Shell. Here we can see the status details as completed and the person completed is 100%. So the mailbox migration have been completed successfully. So this is the way you can migrate mailbox from one mailbox database to another mailbox database. These same command you can utilize to migrate mailbox between different mailbox databases. And always remember to run this command from the Exchange server where the target or destination mailbox database is present. If you have any questions or suggestions, please do let me know in the comment section. And finally, thanks for watching.